morning students. I hope that you are all fine. In this video, I am going to give you a practical demonstration how to make program based on Python. So let's move toward the first program we are going to make in this video. Now our today's program is write a program in Python using if-elif statement to input your choice and perform the following operations. If value of choice is 1, program will calculate the volume of cube using formula V equal to S into S into S, where S denotes the side of the cube. If value of choice is 2, program will calculate volume of cuboid using formula V equal to L into B into H, where L denotes length of the cuboid, B denotes breadth of cuboid, and H denotes height of cuboid. If value of choice is 3, program will calculate volume of cylinder using formula V equal to pi r square h, where r denote radius and h denote height of cylinder. Open Python software. Click on option file and choose option new file and type the program code here. Print, press 1 to find volume of cube. Print, press 2 to find volume of cuboid. Print, press 3 to find volume of cylinder. Choice equal to int input, enter your choice. If choice equal to 1 colon, then s equal to int input, enter side of cube. V equal to s into s into s. Print the volume of cube is V. Elif choice equal to 2, L equal to int input, enter length of cuboid. B equal to int input, enter breadth of cuboid. H equal to int input, enter height of cuboid. V equal to L into B into H is the formula to calculate volume. Print the volume of cuboid is V. Elif choice equal to 3 colon, r equal to float, input, enter radius of cylinder. H equal to float, input, enter height of cylinder. A equal to 3.14 into r into r into h. We are using formula pi r square h to calculate volume of cylinder. Print the volume of cylinder is V. Else colon, print invalid choice, enter. Invalid choice entered by user. So this is our program code. Now save this program code. Now click at option run and choose option run module. Enter your program is asking to enter your choice. If you enter 1, the program is asking to enter side of cube. If you enter side of cube is 3, then program will calculate the volume of cube is 27. Now again run the program. If you enter value of choice is 2, the program is asking to enter length of cuboid 3, breadth of cuboid 4, height of cuboid 5. The program will calculate volume of cuboid is 60. Similarly, if you enter choice 3, then program will ask to enter radius of cylinder. If you enter radius of cylinder 2 and height is 4, then program will calculate volume. If you enter, again run the program, and if you enter choice 3, radius of cylinder 2 and height of cylinder 4, then the program will calculate the volume of cylinder is 50.254. Again run your module. Enter. If you enter choice 4, then program will print invalid choice entered by the user, because this program has only 3 choices, 1, 2 or 3. I hope that you understand the concept of this program. Thank you. Have a nice day.